Hi, my name is Deswitat. Number matrix C180240. We are from session 8, Good 11. Now I will present the question 6.1.1. So, as you can see, the network 1 is the reset button, and for the network 2 is the counter, and network 3 is the output. Okay, now so how of the counter function. So first we switch on and then turn off. This is count as have one time on off. We need to hit to the target, which is 5 times, and then we can get our output. So on again. Now it become to 3 right now. On. Now it's 4. Since we hit the 5 times, and then we can directly get the output, which is Y0. So how do we reset our counter? So we just click the network 1 here, switch on, then it will reset. So this is for the question 6.1.1. Thank you.
Morning, Doctor. I'm Tanvini, metric number AE190104. Now I will proceed to the question 6.1.2. In this question, we will do the simulation of a timer ladder diagram. So we will start by dragging the contact and coin into network 1. Then add an empty network after and drag the contact and timer into network 2. By searching the API name TMR, set S1 as T and S2 as K. Do let the component VA be 10 seconds. Last is the network 3 with a contact and a coin. We rename all of them and use TO as a reset button. Open the COMMGR, then click Start. Now we compile the program and download it. Then turn on the online mode and finally we can run it. We activate the X1 and observe it. X1 will be activate the timer after 10 seconds and the output will be activated. We need to force the input X0 off, then the reset button T0 will only be activated and cause the clock input S1 deactivated. If we force the input X0 on, then it will reset the timer and cause the clock input S1 become 0 again. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azam bin Wan Harum and today I want to present the discussion. Okay, counters are used to count the number of events that have occurred. Latches and unlatches are used to lock something on or off. For question 6.1.1, the circuit for network 1 represents the reset button, network 2 is a counter and network 3 is output. Since S1 count as 1 when S1 is on and off, if S1 reach 5 times, the network 3 output C0 is on and the Y0 output become 1. If X0 is active, it will activate the reset button R, resetting S1 to 0. Okay, for timer, the timer is used to indicate whether or not an input is turned on or off, as well as to create a delay. For question 6.1.2, X0 is the input, X1 is the enable input, X1 is the timer and the output Y0 is the output. we need to turn off the input at 0, then the reset button T0 will only be turned on and the clock input as 1 will not work. In this case, if we turn on the input at 0, it will reset the timer and make the clock input as 1 again go to 0. Afterward, when we load the program and run them, we can see that when the enable input as 1 turn on the timer for 10 seconds, the output Y0 will turn on as well. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nushaira binti Abu Bakar and my metric number is CU190222. Conclusion for this lab is we have learned and we know about what is timer and counter in PLC. Besides that, we also know the use of timers and counters. Next, from ISP software, we can construct a program using that two components. From the program, we can observe the output that appear on the ISP soft. Finally, contribution of group members is very important because we can divide the work with each other. That's all from me and thank you.